अथर्व विश्वविद्यालय मुंबई के अंतर्गत अथर्व कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग ने एआई, रोबोटिक और ड्रोन इंटेलिजेंस पर एक प्रभावशाली सत्र का आयोजित किया, जो सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुआ, जहां विशेषज्ञों और छात्रों ने बताया कि कैसे उभरती हुई प्रौद्योगिकियां आधुनिक रक्षा के भविष्य को बदल रही है। यह कार्यक्रम नवाचार, बुद्धिमत्ता और रणनीतिक अंतर्दृष्टि के लिए एक शक्तिशाली मंच के रूप में कार्य करता है, जिसमें दिखाया गया है कि कैसे प्रौद्योगिकी संभावनाओं की सीमाओं को आगे बढ़ा रहा है। वहीं इस दौरान सत्र के आयोजन में उपस्थित लोगों ने मीडिया से बातचीत में क्या कुछ बताया, देखिए।
Experience to be part of that conclave, because even if I learned a lot of things about what is the new technologies are emerging, how the new warfare would be, and also talking to the brilliant minds of Atharva University, exchanging ideas, listening to such great people like General Raina and other people who understand that how this world is going to shape it. The new world is not about weapons, it's all about the technology. So overall it's a great experience, great learning, and I wish all the very best to those students. Thank you.
In 1999, since the inception of Atharva in 1999, we are focusing on the skill development or practical exposure or project-based learning. So this is one of the testament of that we have started all the conclaves, seminars on international level, where the students will get latest approach or how the technologies are going to be evolved in each or every day. This is completely out of the box concept for our students, so they'll get to know what exactly industry they are following and how the teaching is going to beyond the books. So this is something which is really being appreciated, and I also would like to convey my regards to the speakers. They are coming from industry, Major Raina sir. So it is our great pleasure to have all those in our campus. Thank you so much.
So it is a very nice and timely initiative by the Atharva University. So the topic is very timely, and other than the textbook knowledge, it helps the students to have this kind of exposure. I wish I had something similar during my education, but yeah, and it was nice sharing my perspective to the students, and also it was like also got to learn from the other invited guest speakers. So, and I wish the students the best of the success.
Just want to know about this.
Okay, heartiest congratulations to the university for hosting such a wonderful conclave which talks about the emerging technologies in drones, in AI, and how this entire technology can be merged together to help our defense forces. This is a wonderful conclave wherein the students could understand those technologies and how they can upskill themselves for the emerging fields which are coming up. I want to thank the university for inviting us and hosting us for this wonderful conclave. Thank you very much, and a big thanks to Mr. Jadhav for hosting the entire conclave. Thank you so much, and my good wishes to the students for start their journey to upskilling. Thank you.
पहले मैंने आपसे बात की थी कि जो अथर्वा यूनिवर्सिटी है, एक होलिस्टिक अप्रोच है इस सिस्टम का, जिसमें उन्होंने इस टाइप के सेमिनार आज ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए हैं। इसका मकसद ये है कि फ्यूचर वॉरफेयर कैसे होगा, जिसमें टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन एक्सरसाइज होती है। इसी विषय पर हमने देखा आज कि अलग अलग सेक्टर्स के, जैसे मैं डिफेंस से हूँ, कोई इंजीनियरिंग से है, कोई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस वाले हैं, एकेडमिशियन हैं, इसी तरह से स्टूडेंट्स हैं। हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि इन सब को एक स्टेज पर, ताकि हर एक के जो मेन फीचर्स हैं वो एक दूसरे को समझा सके। To repeat in the English, basic issue is what I highlighted was that we require to focus on skill development right from the schools to our colleges, and also focus on research and development. That is why there is a requirement to have an integrated approach to teaching learning process, which also must include exposure to industry. So today on this platform, you found out how the world is in turmoil and how technology is driving, whether it is Ukraine war, it is West Asia, Indo-Pacific, or India or its neighborhood. Thank you.